So hey guys, welcome back to my another video of computer tips and tricks, and sorry for not uploading any video for so many days. In this video I will show you how to create fake files of any file size. Yes, you heard it correctly, of any file size, whether that file is normal txt file or image file or any video file. So here in my G drive I have created a fake file which is named hi.mp4, which size is, we can see, 45.6 GB. If I double click on it, it will open, but it won't play because this is a fake file. It will not play. So let's see how to create this type of fake file, but don't use it on any important drive where important folders has been stored. It might cause problem to the user. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So for creating this kind of trick, you have to first open command prompt as admin. For that we have to click CMD and right click on it. Ooh, here it is open. You have to open as CMD, right click on it, run as administrator. You will give pop-up here, click yes, it will open. So in my previous video you have seen we can open command prompt by pressing Windows plus X, and you will get a command prompt option here as admin. You can use it here from here also, no problem. So for creating a fake file, there is a command we have to use. You can see the command here. Here it is, fsutil file create new, and you have to give the drive letter with colon and forward slash. In file name you can use any file name of your own choice. You can use any random file names, and don't forget to use it with extension as .txt or .mp4. You can use in anything of anyone. And file size, remember you have to use file size in bytes, not in MB or in GB. You have to give file size in bytes. So you will get this command in my description box. From there you can copy it and use it. Let me minimize it, and let me use my command here. Here it is, fsutil space file create new space. Here in my I want to create my fake file in my G drive, but here it is already in file with sizes. Here it is 46. We have to delete it first. Delete it. We have to free this drive because there is no space for another additional file, so we have to delete it and make it free here. So it is completely free now. You have to give G colon forward slash, and remember don't use any space here after forward slash, and you can use any file name. Suppose I'm using here birthday and underscore party. We have to use the underscore here because we can't leave empty space here. Dot mp4. So it is an video file, fake video file. So you can see here my G drive is of 48.8 GB free here, and I want to fill it completely. So for that, in bytes I will use 49 GB file size, 49, and we have to use 9 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. After giving 9 zeros, hit enter. You will see file G birthday party is created. You will get this message here. Let me check whether it is really created or not. In my G drive, you have to refresh it. You will see a file birthday party.mp4 has been created. If I double click on it, you will see can't play because this is unsupported, as it is a fake file. You can't run it. So in the same way, if we want to create a text file, just bring this upper command in here by pressing upward arrow key and rename it. Rename to anything you want, no problem in it, but make sure you give a extension with it. Suppose for that I will use hi.txt here. You can use space here, you have to use space and hit enter. See here, you will get an error message here. Error, there is not enough space on the disk because here already a fake file has been created before only. So there is no space for it, so we have to delete this. Yes, we have to delete, and so now you can see it is completely free again. Now just bring that upper command here and again hit enter. You will see file g hi.txt has been created. Let us check whether it is really created or not. So here finally we have created a text file of fake file size. Now let me close this command from here because we don't have any use of it. Just press exit and here. Make sure you use this trick on any empty drive because it will cause a problem to the user. And here I have used 48.8 GB and you have to use that fake file less than your drive size. Let me delete it because this is useless now. Before deleting it is completely free again, so keep in mind to use the fake file less than your drive size, otherwise you will get an error message as you have seen now. So that's all for this video. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, make sure you give a like to it, and if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you guys for watching.